everyone, this is Sujit. Welcome to Melody Musicals. Today I am gonna show you an exciting musical instrument that is called Zitar. Zitar means electric sitar. Nowadays, every sitar player wants to play distortion, rock, metal, chorus, flanger, phaser and etc. modern sound. Now, you can play this kind of modern sound by the Zitar. So, let's see the Zitar. First of all, look at this cover. The cover material is very hard and very prominent. This is the cover structure. Yes, this is called Zitar. So first of all, I want to inform you, this is very lightweight and very comfortable. Very lightweight and very comfortable. Now, I'm gonna discuss about that features. Look at that body. So look at that body. This body is smaller than the traditional sitar, and the neck part or fretboard part is same as it is the traditional sitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 frets and Seymour Duncan made in USA pickup has been installed in that product. And push and pull volume pot installed also. If I pull this, then it's made different kind of sound. If I push this, sound will be changed, and this is the tone volume. Die-cast metal key installed here. Die-cast metal key, its quality also very good. This is the bone nut made by bone, cattle bone, and this is the bridge portion. So by this Seymour Duncan pickup, you can use guitar gadget for different kind of modern sound like distortion, rock, metal, chorus, flanger, phaser. So guys, this is the Zitar. You can purchase it from my store with a very affordable price. Shipping is available all over India and out of India. My address is Melody Musicals, School Bagan, Bolpur College Road, District Birbhum, West Bengal, India. Contact number 9851 709757. If you like this video, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with a new exciting product. Till then, bye, tata, take care. Thank you so much.